Good evening,
Good
friends.
evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Today's topic is two digit into two digit. It is called Urdhva Tiryak Vyam in Vedic maths. Urdhva Tiryak Vyam in Vedic maths. Urdhva Tiryak Vyam in English means vertically crosswise. Vertically crosswise. So how to multiply a two-digit number with another two-digit number using Vedic maths? Urdhva Tiryak Vyam. Today's topic is this. I simply call it VCV for the better understanding of children. V stands for vertically. C stands for crosswise. V stands for vertically. Whenever we multiply two digits, we multiply vertically. When we are dealing with four digits, we multiply crosswise. Again, when we multiply two digits, we multiply vertically. So this is called VCV for better understanding of students. And we use balancing also. Yesterday we discussed balancing. First example, 24 times 32. Answer is 768. V, C, V, vertically, crosswise, vertically. Let us see details. Vertically, the numbers along with this vertical line, 2 into 3. Dash, crosswise, 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 4, 12. The total makes the middle term. The total makes the middle number. 2 into 2, 3 into 4. Two crossroads make the middle number. And again come to right side vertical. 4 into 2 are there along with this vertical line. One more step, 2 4 12 dash. No. 2 into 3, 0 6 dash. 4 plus 6, 12, 16 dash. 4 2 is 0 8. We should not have single digit in Vedic maths. For rainbow addition, there must be two digits. Already we discussed yesterday. 8 will come out. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. No need to write this 0 on left side. 768 is the answer. 36 into 42. Answer is 1512. 1512 is the answer. Vertical, crosswise, one cross line from 3 to 2, another cross line from 4 to 6, right side vertical. Now, vertically, 3 into 4, 12. Crosswise, 3 2 ja 6 plus 4 6 ja 24 dash. Right side vertical, 6 into 2, 12. 12 dash 30 dash 12. Answer starts. 2 comes down into answer. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. And there is 1 in the left side end. Write down in the answer. 1512 is the answer. (49 into 36), 1764 is the answer. Vertical, crosswise, vertical. 4 into 3, along with this vertical line, multiply these two. 12 dash. Now let us take the total of 2 crosswise. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 9 are 27 dash. Right side vertically, 9 into 6, 54. 12 dash 51 dash 54. Now rainbow addition starts. 4, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, and 1 is there. Write down in answer. 1764 is the answer. Good evening. Any of you tell me the double digit? 36 is my number.
Sir, can you please explain 3 digits?
No, 2 digit. Today's topic is 2 digit into 2 digit.
Okay, sir.
Yes, tell me any 2 digit number.
99.
3564. 36 into 99. Vertically, 3 into 9, 27. Now let us see crosswise. 3 9s 27 plus 9 6 are 54 dash. Right side vertical, 6 9 are 54. 27 dash 81 dash 54. Answer starts. 4 comes down. 5 plus 1 6. 8 plus 7 15. We got double digit number. Write 5 in the answer and adjust 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 5 6 4 is the answer. Yes. 45 into, tell me any of you any double digit number?
68.
3060. Vertical, 4 times 6, 24 dash. Crosswise, 4 into 8, 32 plus 6 into 5, 30 dash. Right side vertical, 5 8 are 40. 24 dash 62 dash 40. 0 will come out. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 4 10. Double digit number, write 0 outside and adjust 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3060 is the answer. Forty-eight into
79.
yes
79.
3792. Four sevens 28. Now crosswise 36 plus 56. Right side vertical 8 9 72. 28 dash 92 dash 72. 2 comes out. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 8 17. A double digit number. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3792 is the answer. 32 into double-digit number.
56.
1792. Left side vertical, 3 5 of 15. Crosswise, 18 plus 10, 28. Right side vertical, 2 6 of 12. 2, 1 plus 8 9. 2 plus 5 7 and 1. 1792 is the answer. $49 into
Sir, is there any trick like whenever I say the next number, you come out immediately with the answer? So is this done by
you
the
are
class?
telling the second number.
Okay. Second number is 58.
Second number is 58. Two 8 4 2. 4 5 are 20 dash 32 plus 45. 9 8 are 72. 20 dash 77 dash 72. 2 will come out. 7 plus 7 14. We got double-digit number. Write 4 outside and adjust 1 here. 8 plus 0 8. 2 comes down. 2842 is the answer.
Sir, Alka here. The
Yes.
same
Good evening.
yesterday, and even I think before me, someone was asking, how do you calculate these even 2-3 steps in mind so quick? Is there any trick for that?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Just tell me any 2 digits this time. You tell me 2 digits, your own.
69 multiply 48.
3312.
So that thing we want to learn. How you are getting?
6 4 ja 24.
Yeah, that steps we can do.
48 plus 36. 9 8 ja 72. 24 dash 84 dash 72. 2 will come down. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 comes down. Adjust 1 here. 9 plus 4, 13. 2 plus 1, 3. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you are right, sir.
But
But
this time you got the choice. Both numbers are reverse only, not mine.
yeah, but how, like these steps will be performed, at least it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute of time. So how come you can just see the answer or listen
No,
the answer?
ma'am, I am also using more than 3 seconds.
But are you also following the same steps?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, and never. No, I will explain how.
Yeah, that thing,
No,
yeah.
no,
How
no.
we are getting so quick
Yes,
and
I will explain now. I will explain now.
okay, yep, thank you.
Please note this.
Done, sir.
Now, what your doubt is, how can I explain like this? How can I answer like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just I split, ma'am. Just I split. Do you know, I mean, you are all mathematicians. You know this formula, A into B plus C.
Yeah, AB plus AC.
I use this formula sometimes. Just like a player in the ground, ma'am, I don't go for it. I don't use any particular formula. I go according to the situation. Maths teacher must be like a football player in the ground, not like a cricket player. We don't know which situation we faces, which situation we have to face, how to react. So generally, I use this technique. I will explain. 56 into, tell me any double digit number.
85.
56 into 85 is 4760. What I do is 85 into 50 plus 6. What I do is 85 into 50 plus 6. 85 into 50, 4250. 85 into 6 is 510. The total will give you 4760. Check it once. I do all this within 1 second. I do all this within seconds. In this example, I followed this formula mentally. But students cannot. That's why I explain the procedure. They are not expected to tell mentally. They are expected to answer correctly. That is my aim.
Yes, right. Okay, so another, if we say 38.
Yes.
38 into 79.
3002. 38 into 79. I split like this. This time I am using this formula.
Okay.
This time I am using this formula. I am writing 79 as 80 plus 80 minus 1. 38 into 80, 3040. 38 into 1, 38. 3040 minus 38, 3002.
Okay. Yep.
Already I said, ma'am, I don't go in a particular direction. I don't have any particular idea. I move according to situation. I multiply according to my my mindset.
96.
Yes, this is the reality.
How will you go?
Yes, tell me. 96 by?
Multiply 66.
6336. 96 multiplied by 66. Here I use again same formula.
Okay.
96 into 60, 5760 plus 576.
Okay.
Sir, can you please explain how you are multiplying 96 into 60? Is there any shortcut, sir, for
Yeah,
96
ma'am,
into 60?
Multiply single
I know
digit.
100 tables up to, I know 100 tables up to 100. So I can easily multiply 96 into 6.
Yeah. 5436. That would
Yes,
be.
yes, yes. Splitting, split. Everywhere I split. Everywhere
Yes.
I split.
Right, right.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Now
Yeah.
your doubts cleared, I think.
Yes, it is, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any more tests?
Now we will go with the 3-digit also.
Yes, why not?
Okay.
After this, let us discuss 3-digit into 2-digit. In the next class. Today we shall discuss 2-digit into 2-digit only. Tell me some combinations.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah. 44 multiply 68.
44 multiply 58.
Yes.
2552. 44 into 50 plus 8.
Okay.
2200 plus 352. That's it.
Yeah. Right. So 2552. Yes, that's good.
2552, not 2252.
No, I'm saying 2552.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And if we have the question like 34 multiply 99, we apply the 99 trick, right?
Yes. 34 multiplied by?
99.
Yes, that is very easy. Because
Yes.
3400 minus 34.
Right. Even here we can apply the all from 9, last from 10 trick, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Just I blindly subtract the 34 from this.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah, correct. Yeah, got it, sir. I mean,
That depends upon question. That depends upon the question. That depends upon the question.
yeah. Thank you, sir. It understood very well.
And what is my hobby is, if I repeat the same question for 4 to 5 times, I record the answer. Generally, in my 35 years experience as Vedic maths multiplications, not teacher, multiplications, almost all combinations I have recorded in mind.
Yeah, right.
As we remember the students of 2000 students in the same campus.
Yeah.
It is also a great memory.
Yes, it is. It is. Yeah.
We can remember 2000 students' names. I wonder at their memory. Sometimes some teachers.
Yeah, right.
They call them along with the surname also.
Mm-hmm.
So that is my hobby. Recording the answer is also one of my weak points or hobby. Any more doubts, ma'am?
No, it's okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
All clear.
Thank you. Let us meet tomorrow with a new topic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.